Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show how to prevent automatic downloads for photos on WhatsApp Web on your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to manage your storage and data usage. Let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to take control of your photo downloads. First things first, open up WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats on the left side of the screen. Now, look for the settings icon. It's that little gear symbol on the left side menu, usually near the bottom. Give it a click, and you'll open up a world of customization options for your WhatsApp web experience. In the settings menu, you'll see several tabs. We're interested in the chats option, so go ahead and click on that. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the Media Auto Download section. This is where the magic happens. Under Media Auto Download, you'll see a list of different media types that WhatsApp can automatically download. We're focusing on photos today, so look for the Photos checkbox. By default, it might be checked, which means WhatsApp is automatically downloading all the photos sent to you. Here's the crucial step. Uncheck that Photos box. It's as simple as that. By unchecking this option, you're telling WhatsApp, "Hey, I'd like to decide for myself which photos to download. Thank you very much." And there you have it. You've successfully prevented automatic downloads for photos on WhatsApp Web. From now on, when someone sends you a photo, you'll see a download icon instead of the image automatically appearing. This gives you the power to choose which photos to save, helping you manage your storage and data more effectively. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and change it if you decide you want automatic downloads again. It's all about customizing your WhatsApp experience to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.